Hey there, how's it going? So we're gonna walk through how to add a Magnfi video testimonial link into a Vendasta Reputation AI email. So when we log into our business app in Vendasta, we're gonna go to Reputation AI. It's gonna pull up the dashboard. We're gonna click launch, and this is going to actually open the app. So what we want to do is get to our emails. So we're gonna go to templates, and then this review request template is the default template. As you can see, it's set to default. If it's not set to your default, all you have to do is click these three dots, click make default, and then that will set it. So we're gonna go ahead and click edit. And as you can see, we have it a little bit customized in here. So I used our Magnfi GPT that we have created. And if you don't know about that, head over to our help center because there's a link to the GPT where you can create graphics like this really quickly for things like emails and social media and other things. But I created that using the GPT, so it's just leave us a review, and then you can enter whatever text you want this to say. And then by default, Vendasta is going to have Google and Facebook. What we want to do is add this third video testimonial button on here. So over here on the left is all of the modules that are within this email. So we've got the image at the top, so that is the graphic at the top of the page. Under heading, that's where we have this text right here. And again, this is going to be the default email. So you can come in here and edit whatever you want in Vendasta, switch out this image. But what we are going to do is add a new block. We're going to click add image, choose the image. And then when you choose that image, that's when you're going to pick the video button. So it's actually an image you have to insert into the email. So we have our image in there. Next thing we want to do is grab the video testimonial link. So we're going to head over to the Magnfi app, get the video testimonial link so that someone can leave a review. And then we're going to enter that into the image link so that when someone clicks that image, it's acting as a button that goes to the video testimonial link that you have. So once you've added that button in there, the template that we have for you to use is going to match these so that it flows and it looks like Google and Facebook, so that it doesn't look like a random image. So we're going to click save, and then that is now saved within the Reputation app. So when you are sending out these emails to request reviews from your customers, that button will now live in there so that they can not only do Google and Facebook, they can also leave a video testimonial directly in the Magnfi app. And that's how you set that up.